guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cameron. Thank you so much for watching. I know I'm the worst YouTuber in all of the world. I haven't uploaded in like 3 months, but I was finishing my degree in cosmetology. I got my degree in salon and spa management. So now I'm just waiting on state board. So thank y'all for bearing with me and staying subscribed. For all of you subscribers, I love y'all. But thank y'all for watching. I hope that y'all enjoy it. Please leave any comments down below about what videos y'all want to see. I want to film stuff that y'all want to see. If y'all want to see like my current favorites, because I've got a whole new favorites. Like I've tried all different stuff these past couple months, and I've got some really good stuff that I really like. So if y'all want to see those, let me know. Or if y'all want to see like what I eat in the day, because I'm trying to lose weight right now. But this is just my go-to makeup look for work. It's simple, it's easy, it's affordable. There's not really anything very expensive in here except for my foundation, and you'll see why I'm wearing that foundation in the video. Okay, I'm going to quit yapping and let y'all watch this because that's why you're here. So if you want to see this, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime, of course. And I've been trying this Estee Lauder, the Smoother Universal Perfecting Primer. And I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet. And just ignore my face. I've been having so many skin issues lately. That's why I haven't filmed in forever. Just because my face is just constantly going through something. And I had a huge rash down here. You can still see it. I still have some of it, but it's gone down a lot. It was really, really bad. But it's getting better, so. And I woke up with this huge pimple right here. So it's just a good day. I hope my camera doesn't die because it's only on 30%. So I'm going to use this Professional over my pores because my pores have been, and don't look at my nails, they're awful. My pores have been big lately. I'm not really sure what's going on, but my skin has just been going through it. I think it's just like how drastic the weather changed. It's like so cold right now. So I've been using the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I've never used this before, like recently, and I've really been liking it. I think it's a really good product. It's really full coverage and it's really matte. So, but my skin's very dry and I still do like it. So I'm trying to find a place for all my stuff because the table I'm using today is so tiny. Let's see. I'm just going to take this brush and just apply it to my face. I'm going to apply a lot just because I've been liking like very full coverage instead of like shearing my foundation out. Just because my skin's so bad right now. And I'm taking my Real Technique sponge and just blending that out. I've re-fallen in love with the Real Technique sponge because I was using the Beauty Blender for a little while and I really just don't like it. This one is so much softer. I don't know if they redid the sponge, but it's a lot softer than I remember. Okay, now I'm going to try to cover my dark circles because they're terrible. So first I'm going to go in with my Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. This is just like a little color corrector. Just helps to kind of cover up that darkness a little bit and prime for concealer. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to go in with this NYX HD concealer. And this is in the shade 04. I don't even know if it matches anymore. It's a little dark, so I'm going to go over it with something else. I'm going to go over with this Maybelline Fit Me. Not that one. This one in Fair. This concealer I love because it's so hydrating, I feel like. I haven't filmed in so long. So sad. I just graduated cosmetology school and I got my degree in salon and spa management. School is the worst ever. I'm so glad to be done with it and move on with my life. Now I just got to worry about state board. Got to get done with that and get my license. Y'all, the Tape Shape by Tarte, that full coverage concealer, it has been burning the crap out of my under eyes. That's why I haven't been using it. God, it burns the crap out of my under eyes. Now I'm going to take this NYX HD finishing powder and I'm going to use that to set my under eyes. I'm going to blend out these creases first. Set my eyelids too, just to prime. And then I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me powder. It has foundation on it. but this is in Fair Light. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this. Take this brush by Morphe. It's just like a big fluffy brush. And I'm just going to set the rest of my face with this just very lightly. Just to set my foundation. Now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced bronzer. And I'm just going to do a little bit of bronzing. This is like the easiest makeup look ever. This is just what I do like every day for work. Or if I gotta get ready fast. I want to be kind of put together. I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild bronzer. And just further bronze up my skin. Just because this has a little shimmer in it. And it's just really pigmented and I really like it. Like the Too Faced one you have to build up just because it's so light. But I really like this bronzer too. And it's only like $4 or $5. And it's a huge pan. I've already went through one of these. This is my second one. This is in the shade Ticket to Brazil. I have a couple shades. I feel like right here, nothing on my face ever blends. Right there. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a dry spot or what, but like the past couple months, like nothing wants to blend right there. It just wants to like not, product doesn't want to apply right there. I'm just like filling it in on all my life. Okay, now I'm going to take this Blending E25 from Sigma. And I'm just going to take this bronzer and contour my nose a little bit. Just to add some definition to the center of my face. Some color. And I'm just going to take my damp sponge and just kind of blend over that a little bit. I didn't really add that much, but... Okay, now I'm going to add some blush. For blush, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild and Pearlescent Pink. I really like this color. And it has some gold glitter in it. And I just... I think it looks very pretty. Okay, now I'm going to take a brush and just kind of clean up underneath my contour. Nothing too crazy, just to kind of clean up that line. And I'm going to apply my highlight. And I'm going to take Mary Luminizer by The Balm. I really love this highlighter. It's like one of my favorite highlights. It's just gorgeous and very vibrant. So I'm just going to apply that to my face. I'm going to just pop this off. You don't have to let it sit for long and you can tell that it makes a difference. Because I feel like when I let it sit for too long, it's too harsh of a line. And I really just want it to clean it up just a little bit. Now we're going to move on to my brows because they need some help. So I'm going to take my ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. And I'm just going to set them into place before I even apply product. Just to really push them up and know where I want my brows to be. My brows have grown a lot. Like you can see right here underneath where they're starting to grow. Thank you, Jesus. But they just haven't really thickened up that much underneath. So that's what I'm waiting on. Now I'm going to take my ColourPop pencil. This is in the shade Dope Taupe. And I'm just going to apply some hairline strokes. I really don't take the time like I used to with my brows. I used to do like pencil, pomade, and then set it with a powder and then go in with a brow gel. I really don't do that anymore because I really just don't have the time. I just can't wait for the day when my brows are full and it takes me no time to fill them in. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a powder and just set all that and just really help to fill in that sparse areas where there's no hair for that pencil to stick to. And this is just a NYX powder in the shade Blonde. Now we're going to move on to eyes. The eyes are going to be super simple, nothing crazy at all. I'm just going to take this same bronzer that we used, the Too Faced one. Or you can take the Wet n Wild one, it doesn't matter. And I'm just going to swirl that around in there. And then just apply that into my crease. Just to add some definition. And just so my eyes aren't a flat white where I applied that concealer and blended it out to cover up my veins. Just to add some definition back. Now I am going to go with a shimmer all over my lid just because I feel like it makes it look like you really tried when you really didn't. I'm just going to take this Mary Luminizer and just take my finger and just apply that on the inner portion of my eyelid. Just kind of pat it in there. Okay, I'm going to take my pinky and I'm just going to apply some on the inner corner of my eye just to really brighten it up, and then I'm going to take some under my brow bone. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this on a pencil brush and just rub it underneath my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take this little flat brush and just really push it up against my waterline or my eyelashes. Okay. Now I'm going to take this NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. And this is waterproof. That's why I like it, because my eyes are awful. And I'm just going to apply that to my top lashes. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up really quick. I applied mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set my face. And to set my face, I'm going to take a little bit of MAC Fix Plus and just spritz it. And then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. I really like this stuff. I just got it not too long ago, but I've used it a couple times and I really like it. The mist on it's really good. And it says it's for all day wear, so. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do the lippy and we'll be all done. So I'm going to wipe off my, I don't have a towel, hold on. I wiped off my lipstick, and now I'm going to go in with ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Aquarius. I love this lip liner for every day. I'm like more of like a pinky nude, not like a brownie nude. I don't know, I just love pinks. And I'm going to go in with Bedtime Flirt, NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I promise I will be a better YouTuber this year. And if you haven't already, subscribe if you want to, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah, when you're not around.